Riddle me this, mother lecker.
A square has a triangle inside of it with lengths of 4, 3, and 5. What is the value of x, the length of the square's side? I've adapted this problem from one I saw online. Pause the video if you'd like to give it a try, and when you're ready, keep watching to learn how to solve this problem. So, how can we solve for x, the length of the square's side? First, notice that the triangle has lengths of 3, 4, and 5, and that means it's a right triangle. The angle between the sides of 3 and 4 will be a right angle and measures 90 degrees. Now let's focus on these two triangles. We're going to show that this triangle, lower left, is similar to this triangle, upper left. How can we do that? We're going to show that they have exactly the same angles. To get started, let's label this angle as a. Here we have a right angle because we have a square, therefore, the other angle in this square will be 98 degree. Now, let's calculate this angle here. We need it to be 180 degrees minus the other two angles along this straight line. So this angle will be 180 degrees, right angle, other angle, which equals 90 degrees A. When we simplify this we just get 8 degrees. Now, we have a right angle here in this corner of the square, so the final angle in this triangle will be 90 degrees 8 degrees. We can see corresponding angles of these two triangles are equal, and therefore these two triangles are similar. By the AAA theorem, but how does that help us solve the problem? Well, let's label the shorter side of this triangle as y. Since the entire side of the square is equal to x, this distance will be x, y. Now we use the property that these two triangles are similar, therefore the ratio of their long leg to their hypotenuse will be equal, so x, y, 3 equals x, 4. We'll solve this equation for y. Cross multiply. Distribute. Simplify. We get x equals 4 years, which means y equals x/4. We'll substitute that into our diagram here. We can now solve for x because we have a right triangle and we're going to use the distance formula. X squared, x/4 2 equals 4 squared 17 x squared/16 equals 16. For x0 we have a value that x equals 16/17. That's the answer. It's a fun little geometry problem, and I hope you enjoyed it, too.
Riddle me this, mother lecker.